Hey guys, it's Garra, and today on this episode of Mom Strong, I'm going to show you how to make my easy vegan Southern style collard greens. Now, what makes this recipe vegan is that traditionally with Southern style collard greens, you do use some sort of smoked pork to give it that nice smoky taste. And something about, I think the fat from the pork honestly gives the greens a nice velvety texture. And we're not going to be doing any of that, and we're still going to be able to accomplish the same flavor, if not better, in my opinion, of the Southern style collard greens, but vegan, of course. So what we're going to be using, instead of using smoked pork, we're going to be using something called liquid smoke. I've mentioned this before in a lot of my recipes because whatever you put liquid smoke on will give anything, again, that you put it on, a nice smoky flavor. We're also going to be using some vegan butter. The vegan butter is going to help aid into the velvety broth that will be created when you cook the greens. So I'm super excited to share this recipe with you because I make it all the time and my whole family loves it, and they love it, then you guys gotta love it too. So let's go ahead and get started. First time I made it without a blooper. I'm good about myself right now. Yeah.
In a large pot, bring water to a simmer and add in your chopped and pre-washed collard greens. And don't worry if it doesn't all fit. You're just going to push it all down either with your hand. Well, no, don't use your hand. Using a spoon, push all the greens down, making sure they are submerged into the water, because once the greens cook, they are going to reduce in size. So don't worry if they seem to be a little bit more than the water amount you have. Cover and cook for 45 minutes. Your greens should look nice and emerald green, and they should be nice and tender. So at this point now, we're just going to go ahead and drain out the excess water. We're going to drain about half of the water out, and the remaining water is what we're going to use for our broth. Next, you're going to add in some vegan butter, followed by some salt, red pepper flakes, Worcestershire sauce, and some liquid smoke. Next, add in chopped red onions and minced garlic. Stir ingredients together well. Next, cover and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now at this point, the greens are nice and done. We're just going to add in some brown sugar and let this cook for about another 5 minutes, and they're ready to serve. So there you guys have it. Here's my easy go-to recipe for my vegan Southern style collard greens. You guys, this is delicious, to be honest with you. I love the hint of spice and the hint of sweetness, which is paired beautifully well. And this side dish can go with anything you choose to pair it with. You can make it for your holiday functions. If you just want to make it because you want to make it like I did, please feel free. You guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. And as always, have fun in the kitchen. And until next time,